Hi.
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 My name is Greta Fernandes and I'm your tutor for Marksilvafilms. Do you feel that you have the talent to act or want to learn something new? Then fear not, we are right over here. All you gotta do is just come and join us. I'm here to guide you with acting skills, facial expressions, and boost your confidence as well. So do not waste time and think about it again. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Darren. I'm a tutor for Marksilvafilms. I'm in charge for the videography team. So videography is not only video shooting, it has many different stuff such as legal formalities, a location planner, and learning about different cameras. So if you guys wanna know what's going on behind the silky smooth shots, I'm the right person to contact. Come join our team.
Hi, my name is Father Colasso and I'm the tutor for the editing apprentice. So what is editing? Editing is basically from the production stage to the post-production. I'm in charge of that for Marksilvafilms, and editing is basically getting clips from the production part, putting it into timeline and creating a story. That's my job. I create the story according to the script. I put all the effects, the color grading and all that. If you want to learn about this, join Marksilvafilms and you will have a glory of time. Thank you.
I'm Mark Silva. I'm the film coordinator at Marksilvafilms. You have now spoken to all of my tutors. They're all enthusiastic and ready to teach you what you want to learn. Are you willing to learn videography, photography and acting? If yes, then do message us. We are ready to help you. Our courses last for 6 months and 1 year. 6-month course will provide you with new skills, boost your confidence, as well as provide you with a certificate at the end. 1 experience will give you much more skills and knowledge that you need. Videography and photography will last for 1 year courses. Our tutors will give you as much as knowledge and as much as guidance that you need for free. Yes, for free. Are you willing to be part of Marksilvafilms? If yes, then do DM us on Insta, Marksilvafilms, or call us on 07585693669. Our email and more information will be on our next slide. Thank you.